Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So today I just want to do a quick unboxing of this case I got for my new MacBook. So it is by i-Blason, not sure how to say it, Halo hard shell protective case. And it says for MacBook Pro 15-inch 2016, but this should apply to the 2017 and 2018 model as well, since they are the same. Interesting little certificate of authenticity, I guess. Seems like a lot of case makers have to do this now because of copycats. But let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. Now, I've had previously had cases similar to this that are plastic hard shell cases, and they do a really good job of protecting the computer from, you know, small falls and scratches and that kind of thing. And forgive me, I'm just doing this one-handed, so. Okay. So I did get this matte black color. It's kind of like a see-through. And is there a way to open this? I'm sure there is. I am just struggling with this today. Let's see. I can just see if I can rip this open then. I'm having bad luck with packages lately. Alright, I'll put this down for just a sec. There we go. Okie dokie. So we've got their logo on the bottom here. Comes with four little feet. So that takes place, and you have little vents here for the sides, and then everything is open in the correct spot for the ports. So that all looks good. So I'll go ahead and put this on and then show you from there. Alright, I'm back, and it is on here now, so you can kind of see it here. It has little lips that keep it on there, and then on the top you can see the little rim around here. So it's kind of hard to see, but hopefully you can see the color. It does look pretty nice. It's just a kind of see-through black matte, and it's kind of got a rubbery finish to it, so it looks pretty nice. And it adds a little bit of thickness, but that's okay. And here's your side here, the ports showing. And I may not have put this on all the way, but I will fix that. And there's the other side here. And then those little vents at the bottom there, if you wanted to see that. So that's that, and this is the i-Blason case, and here I'll show you the Amazon information here. So this is it. So this is where I got it from, Amazon, so it was 20 bucks. And i-Blason Smooth Matte Frosted Hard Shell Cover for MacBook Pro. And this is the page for it. And you've also got some different colors here. So you have blue, pink, the black, and clear. So it's got 4.3 stars out of 5, so pretty good ratings. And then I checked out the pictures and stuff here, so it looked pretty good to me. So it looks pretty good, and hopefully it'll last me a long time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.